today we're going to be trying out this new palette from BH Cosmetics, and it's called Trendy in Tokyo. And oh my god, the colors, it's so colorful and like perfect for summer. And this is a 16 eyeshadow palette. We'll put the price right here. I'm gonna insert some swatches that I have for you, and also I'm gonna create a look. I'm not used to playing with a lot of colors, so this is gonna be fun. Before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen's Beauty Style, and let's go ahead and get started. We open up the palette. Oh my god, look at that beauty. Right here they already swatched, but I will insert the clip of how they look unswatched, fresh out. Look how pretty. And a huge thumbs up that it comes with a mirror. The way I did the swatches was the first 2 rows, so I'll insert that. Okay, and then the next group of swatches is gonna be the last 2 rows, and they did swatch decent. It wasn't like, oh my god, I don't think they swatched exactly how they look in the pan. More chalky, so I wish you could help me out and tell me what colors to pick, because this is so hard. I'm a Libra, so deciding is not the easiest thing for me. First, we're gonna prime the eyes, of course. I'm using this Anastasia eye primer. I love this one. I really want to try the P. Louise primer. Everybody uses that. You want to use like more than 2 colors. Quickly read the shade names. So you have Blossom, Trendsetter, Lively, Fortune, Anime, Fashion, Bamboo, Electric, Emoji, Sushi, Wasabi. Wasabi swatched beautiful in my opinion. Sake, Mount Fuji, Karaoke, Tempura, and Kyoto. I'm gonna go with this color here, Trendsetter, and I'm gonna use that as a transition shade. So I'm just gonna apply that with this Luxie 237 brush, and I'm gonna just place it right in the crease. Ooh, that looks patchy. And I always take it just a little bit higher because I have like hooded eyes or droopy lids, or whatever you want to call it. So that way when I look straight, you can see it. It's blendable. You just gotta work a little at it. I wish this color here was a matte because I really want to put it like in the outer corner, but it's like a shimmery shade. But still gonna go with it, alright? I want to put this, let's see, looks like nothing's picking up in the brush. Just with the same brush, I tap that, and I'm just gonna try to place that. You see, you would think this is so pigmented, but no. I'm trying to take like a generous amount here. Even if everything's not blended well, at the end we'll go back in and see what we need to touch up. I'm going to cut the crease because I think that will really help for these colors to pop. So I'm just going to use this e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this one is in Fair Warm. So I'm just going to place that. I think that's too much here. I use this Wet n Wild concealer brush and just pack that. Always to cut the crease, you want something that's like, try for it to be like a nice light shade. Alright, now I'm just gonna take my finger and just tap that a little in the corner. I want to place this color Fortune on half of the lid, taking this Japanesque 346 brush. And I'm just packing that in. I'm not blending really. Oh, that's looking rough. Like right now, it looks like that blue was purple instead of like blue compared to this. I'm gonna go in with the shade Lively. Right here, it's more like a shimmery shade. Hopefully that works better. Just place it next to that. Gotta do some serious blending here to try to make this work. I wanted purple. I would have gone in with purple. Now I want to go in with this color Tempura. I'm gonna go in with a MAC 242. This is another matte shade, so. And you know what? I may go with Tempura, but then might put Wasabi on top. And I am overlapping them a bit. I'm just gonna take that color Wasabi and try to put it on top there. I'm taking Kyoto and putting that in the outer corner. Oh, this color is so nice. Just placing the same color Kyoto in the waterline. Try to do this here and I'll be back. Alright, I tried my best. I think the look got a little bit safe once I went and added this Kyoto, this purple shade, instead of like this blue. It was just not working. Like that shade, electric, like wasn't even showing up. Really want to add shine to the inner corner. Highlighter here from Revlon is called Skin Lights. Color is Daybreak Glimmer. It's so pretty if you've never seen it. Just gonna take this brush here. It's an e.l.f. eye crease brush. Put some in the brush and just apply that for a bit of glow. Just right there in the inner tear dot. Next, I really want to play like with the pinks in the palette and give those a try. Go ahead and put some liner and lashes and I'll show you the finished look. I'll tell you, after all that struggle, I really like the finished look. I just never do something colorful, but actually I like it. I'm glad I didn't have to take like the whole thing off. I was really like just thinking to wipe it off and start over. That purple came to save the day. Show you really quickly again the colors that we use. We use Fortune, Lively, Electric, which we shouldn't have, Kyoto, Tempura, and Wasabi. So those are the colors. I plan to play more like with the pinks next time. Let me know if you have any color preference or any like combinations that you would like. I almost forgot. And we also started with Trendsetter in the crease, let's not forget. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're not, click the little notification bell, that way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!